Disclaimer: this is an imaginary story. Please don't relate it with any idol or any other person. It's nothing related to anyone's life. It's pure work of fiction. Any resemblance to actual persons, living or dead, or actual events is purely coincidental. It's an OT7 story. If you are solo stand and can't see other members, then this story isn't for you. You are on wrong channel. Watch the story carefully, then comment. Be respectful and don't embarrass yourself. Whatever pics are shown in this story, they all have been taken from Google and Pinterest. The credit for them goes to their real owner. Storyline and voice are mine, so please don't copy that. Titi, 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 Ash. Now where did this boy go? I swear one day this boy will get something from me. Titi! Wait, let me check him. He doesn't have any sense of responsibility. He left the door open. If Yoongi Han gets to know about this, then he won't leave him. What should I do with this boy? Titi! Titi! Where are you? Went to search him. Azuma, is anyone at home? Jin, Yoongi, Joon? Knocked the door. Ran there. Hello, Azuma. Azuma. Cook, where is Jin? Cook, Yang hasn't returned back, but what happened? Azuma, is there anyone else at home? Cook, except me, nobody is at home. You can tell me. Azuma, what should I tell you? I'm tired of doing complaint again and again. Cook, did Titi again do something? Azuma, that little brat sneaked in my garden and broke the flower pot. My husband and children are out of town now. How will I clean all the mess alone? Last time I complained to Jin, but looked like he didn't say anything to him. Cook, oh no, Azuma. Yang scolded him a lot. Azuma, then how did he sneak in my garden again? You all are spoiling him by loving him this much. Cook, about 90 degree. I'm sorry from his behalf. Azuma, what will I do with your sorry? Will your sorry arrange everything again? If I got to know that my neighbor had a brat boy, then I will never buy this house. Cook, I will clean everything and bring new flower pot too. Please don't be mad. This much anger isn't good for you. I will scold Titi. Azuma, if next time he even thinks of doing something like this, I will tie him down from the tree. She angrily left and Cook left behind her to clean the garden. It was nothing new. Titi was brat. He can live even without water and food, but he can't live without creating mess and getting scoldings. There wasn't a single day when he didn't get his complaints. From older to children, everyone do his complaints. He disturbed everyone. Time skipped after some times. A man unlocked the door and found whole living room was mess. Nothing was at his place. He became mad. He placed the stethoscope and medical bag at the center table and shouted. Hobie shouted, Titi, Titi, Titi. I know you are hiding in the house. Now it's no use. Come out fast. If I find you, then you will get double punishment. Come out, Titi, Titi. He was shouting and looking for tea, but when tea will at home, then he will come out now. Just then a little boy ran inside the house while crying hard. His t-shirt was dirtied. He was running without looking anything. He slipped out the main door and Hobie quickly ran to him. Hobie, Titi, what happened? Why are you crying? Wiped his tears. Dog was chasing Titi. Hobie, why? T held his hand. Oppa, come with Titi and scold that dog. See, he dirty Titi's clothes. Hobie looked at him. Definitely you did something to him. T. No, Titi didn't do anything. Titi was only helping dog. Hobie, stop lying. Tell me the truth. T. Titi is saying the truth, Hoba. Titi was only help dog. Titi was playing in the public garden while eating Titi's tissue strawberry. Titi saw a dog was sleeping under the tree. His tail was twisted, so Titi straightened his tail, but it again twisted. So Titi again straightened, but it wasn't letting the nail to straighten. So Titi brought a big stone and straightened his tail and put that. But that dog was very ungrateful. Instead of thanking Titi, he started barking and chasing Titi. Titi ran here so fast, but and everything was that ungrateful dog's friends. They all kept following Titi. Hobie slowly shook his head. Titi, you are insane. Insane? No. Titi is intelligent like Big Body. It's okay. Intelligent is so tough na. Hoba couldn't speak properly. Hobie, Titi isn't intelligent. Titi is a dumb brat. Who told you to straighten dog's tail? What if he bite you then? Titi was only helping that dog. He was sleeping from so long while twisting his tail. His tail will hurt na if he sleeps in this position. Hobie, oh really? Who gave you this precious knowledge? Hopa, Titi is intelligent na. His leg started hurting if Titi sat while folding Titi's legs for more time. So dog's tail will be hurt too na. Hobie, when will you use your brain? Whose dog's tail have you seen straighten? That dog was a baby. Ginny said we should teach good habits to the children since the young age, so they won't do any wrong thing in future. Titi was also teaching him, but he was bad dog. He isn't good boy like Titi. Hobie rubbed his forehead. What should I do with you? Held his hand and started dragging him to washroom. First come and take bath. I will talk with you later, said by controlling his anger. Titi will take Bati later. First Hoba should come with Titi and scold that dog. Hobie, Titi, don't increase my anger and come with me. But T wasn't listening to him, so Hobie picked him in his arms and dragged to washroom. Titi wants to use washroom. Titi can't control mole, said by holding his tummy. June, sure, there is washroom. Go, pointed his cane to washroom. T saw the cane and scared. No, Titi is fine. First Titi will complete the homework. Titi's tummy can wait, said by patting his tummy. June was sitting on the chair and T was sitting on the bed and completing his homework. T was very moody. He won't study by himself. Always June has to be strict with him, otherwise he won't study. T only scared from June's skin. Titi is done. Now Titi can go and play. June came to him and checked his notebook. Is this you called handwriting? It looks like ants are walking. T looked at his notebook. No, here is no ant. Big Body's eyes aren't working. Wait, let Titi bring eye drops from Hopa. June, don't you dare to become over smart. Erase it and write it again. No, Titi won't write this again. June erased it. Now write it again. T unwillingly started writing. Oh, T. June, T, write properly. Titi is writing properly, but this pencil isn't writing na. It's all this pencil's fault. Punish it. Titi is all innocent. June held his hand. Wait, let me punish who is in fault. Placed the cane on his knuckles. T screamed, "Baby! Baby! Baby!" Hearing his screamings, everyone ran there. Jimin, Didi, what happened? T, baby, she big party is going to beat poor Didi. Yoongi placed his hand on Jimin's shoulder. Go and complete your file. We are here. Jimin, okay. Left. T, baby, don't go and save Didi. Yoongi, shh. Why are you shouting? T, can't get in, she big party is going to beat poor Didi. Hobie, Cookie, T, Titi, what's this manner? How can you shout on him? Jin, Hobie, calm down. June, what happened? June, nothing. His daily drama. He doesn't want to study. Look, his handwriting. Showed the notebooks to Jin. Can you read a single word? When I told him to write again, then he started making excuses. Yoongi, I remembered today his teacher called me. June, why did his teacher call you? Yoongi, she called you, but your mobile was unreachable, so she called me. Jin, what did she say? Now, what did he do? Yoongi, he looked at June. June, Hyang, you can't hide anything from me. Yoongi, he fought with a boy and broke his pencil because he denied to give it to him. And not only this, he didn't pay attention when teacher was teaching. T, it wasn't Titi's fault. Big Party already taught Titi everything. Hobie, so if you already know anything, so you won't pay attention on your class. And why did you fight with a boy? Why did you break his pencil? You already have your pencils now. T, he was showing off his pencil. Titi broke his pencil now. Titi, how will he show off? Jin, so you will fight. Hobie, Hyang, you know, when I returned back from whole living room was mess and he ran back from outside. He placed a stone on dog's tail and dog chased him. Cook, and before that he left the house open and sneaked in neighbor's garden and broke her flower pots too. She came to house and complained to me. She was so angry. Jin, I'm so done with you, T. There isn't any single day spent without getting your complaints. I never listen this much complaint to anyone. What do you want? What pleasure do you get in troubling us? Aren't you feeling ashamed when anyone complained about you? Are you feeling happy when we say sorry to others? Yoongi, leave it, Hyang. Don't increase your blood. He is very happy. June, neither he want to do study nor staying in peace all the time. He wants to do mischief. What do you want to become, a goon? Hobie, children at his age are very calm and helpful, but here he is who knows nothing except giving us headache. Do whatever you want to do now. We won't say anything to you. Angrily left. One by one, everyone left from there. T ran behind them to say sorry, but nobody talked with him. Time skipped after 2 days. It'd been 2 days since he was trying to talk with everyone, but everyone was only ignoring him. Nobody was talking with him. Jimin was busy in his important work, so he was barely talked with everyone. T also didn't disturb him. Now TT was missing everyone. Nobody is scolding him. Now he realized that he did a mistake and he should apologize with everyone. He was trying to impress everyone by becoming good boy. From past 2 days he didn't go out. He didn't do anything wrong. He completed his all the work by himself. Right now, he was doing his homework in beautiful handwriting by sitting in the living room. Everyone was busy in their work. T to himself, Titi, you should become good boy. Nobody does complain of good boys. Tomorrow is Titi's test. Titi should get full marks. When Big Body will see Titi's marks, then Big Body will be happy and forgive Titi. Fighting. Titi can do it. Big Body already taught Titi. Finally, this work is also done. Now Titi should go to Big Body to show Titi's homework. With that, he went to June to show his homework. T came to June's room and slowly peeked inside and saw June was teaching cook. He went inside and gave his notebook to June and said, T, Big Body, Titi completed Titi's all the homework. Check it. Titi wrote everything in beautiful handwriting. If it's not good, then tell Titi. Titi will write again. Gave his notebook to June, but June didn't look at him. His ignorance hurted him, but his young's a strong baby. He didn't lose hope. It's okay, Big Body is busy in teaching Cookie. Titi will place Titi's notebooks here. When Big Body will free, Big Body check it. Placed his notebooks on the bed and ran outside. He came to laundry room with his dirtied clothes. He was so sad because no one was talking with him. He said sorry so many times, but then also nobody was talking with him. Titi should be strong and kept doing hard work. Titi's mistake was big, na. Titi won't get forgiveness this easily. Titi became bad boy, na. Titi should become good boy again. Baby said doing mistake is easy, but correcting it is very hard. If we do any mistake, then we should accept it and try to correct it. We shouldn't lose hope. Titi will also try. Titi shouldn't be sad. Titi's clothes are so dirty. Hoba taught Titi how to use washing machine. He encouraged himself and filled the water and put his clothes in washing machine and put washing powder and set the timer, but machine didn't work. He was thinking the solution. He saw Hobie's reflection in mirror, who was standing while crossing his arms. He went to him and said, T, Hopa, Titi did everything which Hopa taught Titi, but still washing machine isn't working. Check it now. What happened? Hobie went to washing machine and raised his hand and unlocked the child lock and switched on the washing machine and it started working. T, yay! It started. Thank. But before he could say anything, Hobie left from there. Hoba is still angry, but don't worry, Hoba helped Titi na. He brought a small stool and sat in front of washing machine and waiting for clothes to wash. Hobie was looking at T while hiding behind the wall. They all were angry from him, but didn't leave him alone. He was always in under their eyes. Time skipped at dinner time. Jin was preparing dinner and everyone was in their room. T was setting the table and carefully filling the water in glass. Soon everyone came and sat. Jin served their dinner and sent Jimin's dinner in his room. Jin didn't give T any vegetables to eat as he didn't like, but when T didn't see vegetables, he himself picked all the vegetables and put it in his bowl. Everyone saw this and stunned by his behavior, but didn't say anything. He happily started eating vegetables. Youngs were secretly watching him and smiled. They were so happy to see his efforts. He wasn't swallowing the food but was eating it by chewing it. T wanted forgiveness, and for that he was ready to do anything. He knew how to impress his Hyangs. After the dinner, June gave him his notebooks, but he didn't say anything. T opened his notebooks and saw there was a smiley made on a paper. He became so happy to see that and hugged him tightly. But June didn't say anything. He tried so hard to not ruffle his hairs, then left. Time skipped at next day. T came back from his school. He was so happy because he got full marks in his test. He was so eager to show this to everyone. He happily changed his school uniform and went to kitchen to drink water. He opened the fridge and found a strawberry milkshake and became happy. He poured it in Jimin's coffee mug and happily went to share this news with Jimin. He opened the door and found Jimin wasn't there. He placed the mug on the side table and went to bring his test sheet to show him. When he returned back, he found few pages were on the floor. He started picking the pages and placed under the file. In this process, his hand touched the mug and all the strawberry milkshake fell on the file on which Jimin was working since a week. He panicked and started wiping it. Jimin was in washroom. When he saw his file was all wet and milkshake was dripping from it, he became mad. He went to T and snatched the file from his hand and angrily said, Jimin, what the hell you did? You ruined my hard work. Do you know I was working on it from past 1 week and you just ruined it? T started crying. No, Titi didn't ruin baby's hard work. Titi was only came to show baby Titi's full marks. Titi even brought Titi's favorite milkshake for baby. Titi was only helping baby. Jimin, helping me by ruining my hard work? Great. Pick the paper. This happiness you want to share with me? You got 0 and you still have this much audacity to lie in front of me. You came here to ruin my hard work. Accept it. T. No. Please trust Titi. Titi got full marks. Titi didn't get 0. Titi only came here to help baby. Pages were on the floor. Titi only picked them, said while crying hard. Jimin pulled his hairs. Shut up! Don't you dare to speak a single word. Hyangs are right. You are just a headache. You know nothing except creating problems for us. Now I have to do everything again. Went outside. T. Baby, please listen to Titi. Jimin, I'm not your baby anymore. Don't you dare to call me baby and follow me. You are nothing for me. Angrily closed the door and left. T started crying. Titi is a headache. Titi always trouble everyone and hurt them. Titi also hurt baby. Titi is so bad. Titi will go far away from everyone's life. With that, he went to his room and drew a cute drawing of going away and left it on the center table and put the empty glass on it. Then left the house after looking at the house for the last time and saying sorry to the house. To be continued. Author's note. That's it for today. I hope you all like it. It was the requested story for one shot. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Story will be long, so I divided in 2 parts. Well, I've already made so many stories like this, but it will gonna be different from them. How? See it by yourself when I will upload next part. By the way, what do you think? Where can TT go? Do Hyang really hate him and take him as headache? How did TT's answer should change when he got full marks? How will Hanks make TT understand that they still love him and he doesn't need to change himself? Will TT get back home safely? You will get all the answers in next part. I hope you all enjoyed it. We will meet soon with next part. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share, and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.